Hi guys, welcome back to Having Fun with Miss Jess. Today we're going to talk about our mystery eggs. What's inside? Let's go. Okay, so I have an orange and yellow egg. Isn't that kind of cool? I like it. Are you ready to see what's inside? I'm excited. 1, 2, 3. Who is this? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Can I get a roar? Arr, or roar? Who likes Tyrannosaurus Rex? It has like a brownish color. Very cool. Now we're going to get a purple and pink egg. These look like fireworks to me, or you can say flowers. Isn't that really neat? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Who is this? His name is Raptor. Now he has some red and a little bit of yellow. Look at his tail. Isn't he so cool? Raptor. Now we have a green and blue egg. It has some lines, some circles and a line. Kind of looks like a flower petals. Green. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is my favorite dinosaur. His name is Brachiosaurus. Oh, and he's a leaf eater. He has green and a little bit of gray brown on him. Look at that in his long tail. He has a long neck. Now I have a yellow and green egg. Has some jagged line and some dashes, straight line. Look at these circles. And a big circle, yellow circle on top. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. What's inside? Ankilosaurus. And he's blue. Isn't that? Look at, he has 4 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. His shell. How cool is that? My next egg is also yellow and orange. Has swiggly lines, huh? They go in loop, loop, loop. Orange and yellow. Nice colors. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I have a Stegosaurus. Oh, he's also a leaf eater. Look at that. Some spikes on his shell, on his back. And his tail, it goes all the way down. He has yellow and green. He's yellow and green. Wow. My last egg is pink and yellow, and this one has flowers. Oh, I love flowers. And I love pink. My favorite color is pink. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And our last dino is a Triceratops. Isn't he cool? And he's orange. Isn't he neat? I love Triceratops too. My second favorite dino. Okay, so let's see how many dinosaurs we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus Rex, Ankilosaurus, Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Triceratops, and the raptor. Thanks for playing Mystery Egg with me, and you can try this at home too with your eggs you found. Bye!